Hi! Today's video is all about 70s cars, countryside, a model, using some lighting, just a recipe for success. And you're gonna be there for it. We'll be shooting from day into the night, and when the sun dips away, that's when we'll be using the X100 RGB light from Sijun Tech. So this is a compact, lightweight, portable light which you can alter the patterns it creates by using the snoot. Yes, that is what it's called. A snoot. Which is, I think, is pretty awesome because I've tried this in the past using a mirror, putting tape on the mirror, aiming it to the sun, and you can tell already it was way too much of a hassle. It did work, it's a budget-friendly option, but this just makes my creative process a whole lot easier. But before we dive into the realm of lighting, let's just take some photos using the daylight, using the golden lighting, and then we get into it. So yeah, let's head on over to the photo shoot. Hello! Good to see you. You too. The location is actually working out way better than I expected because the bush behind me is green and the car is red. So those are contrasting colors, and that just works so nicely in the photos. It accentuates each other. I actually made a video about that too, about complementary colors. So if you want to check that out, I've linked it somewhere up here. What if we try a shot? Maybe you're standing in front of the car, maybe even walking towards the car. Can you see?
Film down. Alright, ready? Right.
Oh, is that it?
Pretty anticlimactic, wasn't it?
This is like
pretty
a war.
old.
What did you say? Like a war?
I don't know, it said post-war.
Post-war.
Box camera.
Box camera. Ooh! Oh, love it! By the way, I wanted to let you know that all of the photos you're seeing in today's video have been edited using my Lightroom presets. My pack comes with 45 plus presets, and these are the presets I use on a daily basis. And besides that, I've also created a walkthrough tutorial for every single preset, a bunch of editing tutorials, and my raw files for you to play around with. So for this specific photo shoot, I used a preset called Chimney. I applied the preset and it was pretty much done already. So if you want to check it out, click on the link in my description. That's where you can download my pack. So yeah, okay, let's continue with the photo shoots. toxic trait is that I always shoot way too long on a 50mm. It just looks so good. But then I'm like, I kind of want a bit more compression in my shots too. So I'm gonna grab the 85mm f1.4. Ugh, we're getting so many beautiful photos, and it's only getting better because the sun is gonna go down soon, and then we can start playing around with some lighting too. Yeah, on the actually like over the shoulder. Sick. Alright, time to play with some lighting. So the X100 is incredibly easy to set up. I think it only took me like 1 minute. I screw on the snoot. So there are a bunch of different shapes you can choose, but for my photo shoot I went for the sort of blind look. So almost as if M is parked outside of a motel, the motel lighting is shining on her face while she's sitting in the car, and just almost make it feel like it's part of a movie scene. So that was the look I was gonna go for during this photo shoot. And with the little dials on the sides I can choose between the colors, and for now I went for a very natural color to really make it look like it was coming from the motel room, but you can also choose out of red, blue, green, all the RGB colors you want. So of course the further away you stand, the bigger the pattern gets and the less sharp the lines get as well, but the closer you get, the more compact the pattern gets and the sharper the lines of the pattern get as well. But to make her face stand out a little bit more, I decided to use my M20C. It's a popular player on my channel. I love this little tablet light just to make her face stand out a little bit more as well. So yeah, I aimed that one through the window and these are the shots I got. So yeah, this is just one way of using the X100, but there are 1,000 more ways you can use it as well. I don't think I have to say it, but if you want to check out the light or more information, you can find the product link in my description. I really want to thank Rob for bringing out his awesome car. I love the look of it. I wish I took 1,000 more photos of it, but I think I'll just never stop. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I also hope to see you at my next one. Okay, bye bye! Doei!